guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can animate your text in like two ways. So the first one is you can just simply select animation and you can add like an in animation and then an out animation as well. Here you can also change the duration of the animations, and you can also add in like a loop animation in the middle. But what I like to do is I like to add in a loop animation, this wave one, make it a little bit slower. Go to the text, right click, create compound clip, then go to the video animation here and go to combo and select either slide wave or wave slide to your videos, and that's basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!